As long as there's been retail, there's been product data. From the first seed catalog in the 17th century to the direct mail catalogs of the 20th, product data tells consumers what's available. Until recently, managing that product data was always manual. From handwritten ledgers to computer-based spreadsheets, data pooling and optimization were done line by line. E-commerce changed a lot of things in retail. Product data had to be as convincing as it was accurate, because competition was continually entering the market, and product data was the only way that a brand could pitch their products over the next. Things were changing, but the manual systems to manage product data had not. Enter PIM, the product information management software that brands could use to pool and organize their product data. That's when consumer expectations started to change. Buyers needed more audio-visual rich data for a product page to convince them to buy. The whole market quickly moved in the direction of enriched product data, like videos, photos, and other product content. Brands that have been holding out with their manual data management were now forced to leapfrog into new software solutions, like DAMs or digital asset managers, and MDMs or master data management systems. Legacy software, like older PIMs, and silo-specific solutions, like MDMs, were just a blip on the e-commerce radar. Omnichannel brands needed next-gen PIM technology to store all kinds of data in one place. They also need the software to easily allow for heavy data editing and constant optimizations to that data as each selling platform's requirements changed. The barriers of entry to e-commerce were broken down with a flood of new sellers too. New brands and old alike all rushed online to keep selling in the new normal. And only the PIM that allowed for efficient in-app data editing would let brands optimize dynamically to stay competitive. Brands using next-gen PIM technology could easily apply changes to their whole libraries, or just specific segments of their data for each channel. With the ground constantly shifting beneath their feet, these brands stood firm with their agile updates to product data. Specifically, next-gen PIMs include cloud-based multi-department access, one-click export of selected data in any format for any e-com or other platform, and AI-powered insights into the top-selling competitor listings. Any brands stuck in 20th century manual processes were left in the dust. The future of your brand only looks as good as your product information management process. Because online, the only thing consumers have to decide to buy is your product data. Choose the PIM, designed for ease of use in e-commerce, and you'll be guaranteed to use it to its full potential. Add predictive AI-powered PIM insights into the mix so you can reverse engineer the listings that are selling the most. Then, you'll be able to count yourself among them.